What's up, guys? welcome welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's grab a coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we will look at market performance to see how we're doing for the past 24 hours. Then we look at prices in details. And right after that, we will check our positions. Are we up? Are we down? Are we in Rec City yet? You guys already know the drill. Anyways, let me set this down. Before we do that, come on, it's getting pulled back a little bit. Okay, before we do that, guys, there is a difference, okay, between a day trading and a long-term trade. There's a difference between that. But now, all of that is going to be based on your entry time. Okay, depends of your entry time, depends on your vision for the larger picture, what you want to achieve on that trade and stuff like that. That is all it all depends on. There are some people that have the time to sit in front of the computer all day, okay, and they can day trade. People like me, I don't have that time. I don't have that luxury. Well, yet I don't have it. So when I trade, I try to make it a long term. I try to make it a long-term trade in which for months and months, I'm not going to be worried about whatever price is doing. That's why I always tell you guys, you have to open the trade and scale it up. Scale it up to the point like, okay, if you look at the liquidation, you like, yeah, I'm comfortable. This thing will not get down there. Even if it drops, my trade drops 60, 70%, I'm comfortable. So yeah, that is the way I do things. Therefore, I have the dry powder on the side, in case if price is coming down, I just keep adding to it to make sure that it doesn't hit my liquidation. Okay, you understand what I mean? Now, there are other people that do this on the daily basis. And boy, oh boy, I can tell you, man, that is a lot of headache. It's a lot of headache. You you go crazy. You go crazy doing that. So yeah, that's just the number point. No, the number one point, the timeline of your trading. Number 2 point, choose a coin that has potential. Bitcoin, for example, we know Bitcoin has a cycle in which revolves every 4 years. Again, this is not just a mystery. This is all tied in with the monetary policy, which we already know how it works. Monetary policy, every 4 years, the government does their thing, okay? So if you can, let's say if you want to long Bitcoin, you have to get, first of all, the timeline of it to open your trade. What I mean by that is, don't go shorting Bitcoin in a bull run, because you will you will be a very famous resident in Rec City if you do that, and vice versa. Don't go long in Bitcoin in a bear market, because it's not going to work. You will lose your money. So yeah, you have to choose the timing of it. The asset, you already know that Bitcoin is doing this from this time to this time. Okay, we already know no matter what, it's going to do this. Okay, for the meantime, because yeah, the cycle is still a little bit of confusion going to it. At first, when it was without the big money, the cycle was clear. Now that the big money is in, cycle is a little bit how am I going to say this? It's a little bit like this. It's still the same cycle, but now we don't know. What you don't know is like how it's gonna last. So I keep telling you guys, it's not gonna last till December this time. It's not gonna do that. It's gonna be a short cycle. The bull run is gonna short, and the super cycle everybody's calling is not on the bull side. It's gonna be on the bear side. That's what I'm telling you guys. The bear market will begin way sooner The bear market will begin way sooner than a lot of people expect, and it's going to last very, very long time. That's what people are not getting. And we keep talking about this like, guys, look around you. The trade wars, the inflation, everything, interest rates, look around you. The years that Bitcoin followed the normal steps, everything was different. This year, it is so different. It's like the economy is resetting. And that, my friends, is affecting the cycle of the Bitcoin. Not fundamentally. We are still going to have a 4-year cycle. But what I'm talking about is that this season, you're going to have a short bull run, but a prolonged bear market. That's what is going to happen. A prolonged bear market, to this fact that before the next halving, before the next Bitcoin halving, is not going to be like it was before. We are going to enter, like I keep saying it, like, well, until it happens, that's when a lot of people are going to believe. But look at the writings on the wall and see exactly what's happening. Okay, forget about me being a Kaspa maxi or a Bitcoin enthusiast or whatever. Just look at the writing on the wall, because in this my millionaire journey, the important thing is that we are here to make money. We are not here to lose money. So yeah, look at the coin that you want to trade. Look at his potential of going up or going down. You got to look at that. Okay. Now that leads us to Kaspa. Kaspa, I've already told you guys, I am so bullish on Kaspa. As a matter of fact, right there, I'm a maxi on Kaspa. We already know that Kaspa has so much upward potential. Therefore, you looking at the market right now, if you enter a trade and you scale it up, you understand that, yeah, this is a coin that is going to go up. A lot of people still don't have faith in Kaspa, which again, when we trade, we don't use rocket science. We don't do all this Elliott wave, none of that bullshit mumbo jumbo. When I trade, I've told you time after time, it's that simple things. Moving average, moving ribbon, MACD, RSI, and the most important part of it all, people's psychology. Because when you see the market and you look at the fear and greed index and you see it in extreme fear, guys, that is when these little bastards we call market makers, that is when they usually reverse it. Because when you see extreme fear, it means majority of the people are shorting the market. And when you see that, that means, yeah, Rexit is about to open the gate. That's exactly what's about to happen. So yeah, back to what we are talking about. When you are trading, now you have the timing. You're looking for the coins, right? Bitcoin, yeah, you got to enter it at the right time. But you know Bitcoin is going to go up, but you need to enter it at the right time. Because if you enter a long trade on Bitcoin when it was 107, yeah, you know what Rexit streets looks like right now. Right now, it's also another thing. It's very risky because you're in the middle of the bull run. For Bitcoin, it's already established itself. So entering a long trade right now, yeah, you can make money, but for me, it's not worth it. Again, everybody's different. You can still enter a trade and make money until Bitcoin goes to $140,000 or $160,000. Yeah, but the timing is what I have a problem with. Like I tell you guys, like I just said, the timing has to be perfect, not such perfect. You know, if you want to long Bitcoin, you want to enter that position at the bottom of the bear market or close to the bottom of the bear market. That's when you want to do it. That way, right now, months and months later, you don't have to worry about whatever the price is doing, because your liquidation would have been very, very low, unless you have a lot of money. If you have a lot of money, yes, you can enter a trade right now and scale it up so bad that the liquidation drops all the way down to $50,000. Then, yeah, you don't have to worry about it. But for you to do that, you need a lot of money. If you do this during the bear market, it's a different story. If you do it at the bottom of the bear market or close to the bottom ever, then yeah, I hope I'm explaining myself. So yeah, for Kaspa, you already know the top potential is there. So so if you're doing this with Kaspa and you scale it up and you drop your liquidation, let's say all the way down 4, 3, 2, 1 cent, whatever you're doing, you know that for sure you're about to make money, because again, Kaspa still on testnet. Every move has just started taking place. The 10 blocks per second, the exchange listings are there, the Sparkle and the Ingra Labs smart contracts are there. There's still no ecosystem. Ecosystem is just about to start building up. You have the total value lock on the chain just about to start coming. So yeah, the potential for Kaspa to go up is right there. Okay. So yeah, you're looking at that. Now you go to the next one, Quant. You already know, if you had entered the position with Quant when I told you about it, you would have been way better right now. Right now you're in the middle of a bull run with Quant. The same race goes with Bitcoin. If you enter a Quant trade right now, it's still a 95 or 90 something, close to $100. You need to scale it up. Scale it up so way your liquidation will be like 40, 30, $20. Because for sure, I can tell you, I don't see Quant swinging back to 40, 30, $20. I don't see that happening before the bull run ends. Okay? Now, everything for Quant shows that it's going to blow. Why? Regulations are there. Second, you look at these trade wars happening right now. Banking is there. I mean, everything is pointing to the fact that Quant is going to have you a great 6 to 8 months, or even less than that. But we are going to see Quant run. Everybody calls me a moon boy for saying $5,000. Okay, it's fine. Let's just say my prediction doesn't come true. But if Quant goes from here all the way up to $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever, and you enter that trade, then yes, you're gonna make you a lot of money. Still, even if it doesn't go to $5,000. See what I'm talking about, right? Another thing I always tell guys, leverage trading is not for everybody. It's not. Because there's a lot that goes into leverage trading. Even though when you see my position and you see me trading, it seems easy, but it's not that easy, guys. It's not. You have to have that normal perfect entry. You have to have your money on the side in case something goes wrong. There's a lot of things that go to it. But when you get the hang of it, that is when you start to realize that, wow, I can use this little amount of money to make this big amount of money. That's the beauty of leverage trading. So yeah, going back to it, a lot of people sitting here, yeah, we are there, the market is over with this and that, blah, blah, blah. And I'm looking at them, look at the charts, look at the sentiments. And I go, yeah, I think there is something tasty getting cooked. Look at Bitcoin again. Bitcoin is holding that important support, which again, everybody extreme fear they're about to get their the hot potato handed to them. They're about to see it happen. And yeah, I will still sit here and tell you, I told you so. That's what will happen, right? So you want to make money on leverage? Yeah. You want to make money on spot? Yeah. This is the time for it. This is the time for it. I do remember when Kaspa was at 20 cents. 20 cents. A lot of people were like, man, I wish it could go back down again. Oh my gosh, I wish it could go back so I could buy some more. Now, Kaspa is sitting at 8 cents. What are you looking at? Oh man, he's dead. I'm out. Oh man, I'm going here. He's this and that. And yet, has the fundamentals changed? No. Has smart contracts are deployed? No. So, I mean, like, what is really making you being so bearish on Kaspa? I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't understand. Again, you feel like it is not it. Okay, don't blame nobody else. When you see your neighbors who stood strong with his Kaspa bag driving his next Lambo, don't blame nobody. Because that's what usually happens. It's like when Kaspa runs, I'm a maxi, okay? You can call me a moon boy if you want. I believe Kaspa is a $10 coin, no matter what. Yet, people will sit there and tell you, nah, it's going to zero. Okay, let's say you buy Kaspa right now at 8 cents, and Kaspa runs all the way to $3, $4, $5. Wouldn't you make money with that? Is that not good money enough? A lot of people are not looking at what really is happening in front of their eyes. They just like look at somebody else's portfolio and go, nah, I'm gonna go like this guy. No, that is not me. Okay, this is my millionaire journey. I'm not willing to gamble with my money over meme coins, over coins that, guys, look at the SEC right now. Go look at what they're doing. That's why I'm telling you guys, by the end of this run, I am going to drop all my proof of stake coins. It's going to be a field day. It's going to be horrible. I'm going to drop them. You go just look at SEC and then you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so things are like that. You got to understand leverage trading. Okay, you got to choose first. Do you want to be a day trader or do you want to be a long-term trader? If you have enough time on your hand, yeah, go for the day trader. Although I can tell you, yeah, you will get wrecked so many times. If you want to do like me, go for a long-term trader, because long-term trader gives you the peace of mind. All you have to do, I had a strategy before. Okay, my strategy usually be like every 2 weeks, I just add to all my positions. When the more I add to them, the more the liquidation drops and the higher my profit is. That's what I usually do. So yeah, I stopped doing it because I had other things I want to do. But that is a good strategy, not financial advice. Open up your trade, scale them up, and depends. I don't know what's your check schedule when you, because I'm still working. Unfortunately, I still have my 9 to 5. So whenever I get paid, I add a little bit to all my trades. That's what I usually do. So you can follow the same strategy if you want to. So anyways, let's go look at the market right quick and see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. So look at crypto bubbles. And we go here. So for the past 24 hours, yep, everybody's still extreme fear. So yeah, let's go look at the coins that we are trading on this My Millionaire Journey edition 2024-2025, starting with the king himself, Kaspa, King Kaspa. For the past hour, Kaspa is up 0.5%, 1.3% down on the day, 21.1% down on the week, 39.5% down on the month, and 54.3% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.04 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $58.41 million. So yeah, they only lost around $700 million. Wow, yeah, that's a lot of money. Anyways, now let's go. QNT, the coin a lot of people love to hate, but I call it the banker's coin. As you guys can see, for the past hour, Quant is down 0.3%, 4.4% down on the day, 4.9% down on the week, 16.9% down on the month, and 26.6% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.33 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $26.16 million. You see, Quant didn't lose a lot. I think it was around 1.5 or 1.4 billion dollars, something like that. We didn't lose a lot. So yeah, looking at Jasmy, JAS, the Japanese Bitcoin. Yeah, now you look at it, like I said, Japanese Bitcoin for me, because it mimics Bitcoin. That's why I call it Japanese Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, Jasmy goes up. Bitcoin drops, Jasmy drops. So yeah, that's why I call it the Japanese Bitcoin. Anyways, for looking at it right now, for the past hour, we're down 0.1%, 3.4% down on the day, 15.9% down on the week, 45.4% down on the month, and 13.4% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $866.22 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $29.43 million. As you guys can see, Jasmy hasn't lost a lot of money. Jasmy went from 880 something million to 866 million. So yeah, I can tell you again, this thing is holding straight. So looking at next, last but not the least, Cubic. High risk, high rewards. Like I always tell you guys, look at Cubic. For the past hour, we are up 0.1%, 1% down on the day, 17.1% down on the week, 45.4% down on the month, and 87.6% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of free money, $145.95 million, and a 24 hours volume traded at $2.82 million. If you guys can see, that trading volume is almost zero. It's going down because a lot of people don't see the reason why they should be selling their coins right now. So, and then now another thing again, let's just look at Bitcoin right quick, okay? Because Bitcoin says a lot. You see, this is what I'm telling you. It looks like Bitcoin has reached the bottom. So 0.4% down 0.4% up the last hour, 0.8% up on the day, 10.7% down on the week, 17.4% down on the month, and 37.9% up on the year. Okay, so you look at those numbers. Those numbers right now, compare them for the past 3-4 days. That should tell you that Bitcoin has bottomed. That thing has got to the to the lowest side. I think this extreme fear you're looking at, a lot of people are about to get wrecked. Okay, but anyways, let's go look at the prices in little details. Okay, let's go with my trading view right quick, and you look at this. Come on, open up. I want to start with King Kaspa. As you guys can see, look at that. Everything is beginning to look green. Okay, so even S&P 500, although I do not really trust this S&P 500 data because it's the weekend, but as you guys can see, they closed green. So Monday, let's see, probably we're also going to open up green or turn green. As you guys saw here, this is Kaspa on the hourly. I do not trade on the hourly time frame, but as you guys can see, let me extend this line just a little bit down here. Okay, yesterday I told you guys there was a potential double bottom forming on Kaspa. Okay, but now if you look at it on the 1 hour, that is what it looked like. So like first bottom, second bottom, like a W, like 1, 2. So yeah, this thing looks like it wants to go try this resistance again. Now the number that we need to break is going to be here at 8.4, 8.5 cents. So again, it's just so simple. Look at the moving average, still way up here. Ribbon, he started to curve. The first attempt was not successful. Second attempt, now let's see if this is going to be successful, because like once it starts to do this, it signals that the bottom is in or is about to be in, something like that. So yeah, guys, pay attention to this price action. Okay, again, I don't trade on the 1 hour, but anyways, if you look on the 4 hourly chart, let's look on the 4 hour. See, this is again, yesterday I told you guys the same thing, right? Look, ribbon is spreading. Sooner than later it's going to spread so much that this thing is about to start curving. And as you can see, you look at oh, come on, let me take this out. As you guys can see, again, the 4 hourly is beginning to show signs of trying to hold up the price, of reversing. It's no longer like this long dump, a little bit, long dump, a little bit. No, look at this. It dumped, it tried to recover, it dumped, it is trying right now. And the ribbon is also showing the signs. Again, look at the moving average right up there. I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I showed you guys the MACD and the RSI on both daily and the weekly. You guys can see that those things have already started to flip. So yeah, I am very confident that Kaspa is about to see his leg up. It's about to start. Okay, so yeah, if you look at it on the daily, it's also another good way to see it. Okay, daily. Let me try to, come on, not you. Let me try to take this out and zoom it just a little bit. Okay, look on the daily. Look at those wicks. Those wicks tell a lot. Okay, because as you can see, higher low, higher low, higher low. Let's see how this one closes today. Probably it's gonna close as a higher low too. So you guys can see ribbon curve down. Now it looks like again it's trying to curve. Look at that. It is above the trading resistance. So yeah, I think this thing is really about to surprise people. And another thing that you guys got to look at is this. Let's look at CoinGlass right quick. I want to show you something. CoinGlass, this one. Because like most people right now, that's why I'm telling you, the market is about to reverse. A lot of people are about to get handed the hot potato. That's how simple it is. A lot of people are about to get handed that. Let's look at Kaspa right quick, okay? Kaspa, crap, not this one. I want to go on the liquidation map. That's where I want to go. Liquidation map. Sorry, I forgot to switch that out first. Liquidation map. Okay, this is Bitcoin. Again, this is not what we're looking at, but since we're already here, look at that. Liquidation for Bitcoin, a lot of money above $87,000 or thereabout. But that's not what we're here looking for. I'm looking for Kaspa. Let me look for this. Gonna search. Oh, come on. Excuse me. Let me pause this for a second. Give me a second. Yeah, sorry about that. I had a call try to come in. So yeah, let's look for Kaspa, which is searching KS. Kaspa, we're gonna take the Binance. Okay, yeah, they're all the same price. Yeah, okay. Look on Binance perpetual. Okay, this is what I'm telling you guys. This thing is about to go. So we're gonna look at. I like taking the weekly, only the weekly, so that you will see. Because like everybody else keeps saying, yeah, we about to go down. The market is about to do this and blah blah blah. Look. Let me look at this module, the module 1, nope, module 2, usually be better because it shows you clearer answers of what you're looking at, okay? Come on, let it flip. Come on, there you go. See, if you look below, on 7 cents, you have $5.44 million. Above, you have $6.75 million. Or come on, I'm trying to go right here. 7.94, sorry. So yeah, price always get attracted to liquidity. You may have a week down to 7 cents, or I mean 7.4 cents, and then up again. But when you look at it this way, you will see that there is more liquidity above. Okay, there is more liquidity at 9.4 cents. Just like I just showed you guys, there's a lot of liquidity down there on the weekly. If you go look at it on the monthly, these are the things that you need to check, because this is how you determine if it is worth having a trade open or not. Okay, this is how you check it. Look at that on the monthly. So yeah, this guys, excuse me. Excuse me a second. When you record with your phone, it's a little bit hard to navigate in things. But anyways, now going back to Kaspa, we are in the monthly. Okay, so in the monthly, if you guys can see, liquidation maps, $30 million. Okay, so this is what I'm telling you guys. This thing, there is less liquidity down. But look at the both at 11.3, 11.4. You guys do remember that number. I have mentioned it here time after time. Keep telling you that, yeah, pay attention to that, because this thing is running at that 11.3, 11.4. There is $30 million worth of liquidity sitting right there. And these market makers, they are about to make this thing go up there. Okay, so I don't know, just people not paying attention to it, or everybody else thinks the bear market is here, but the charts are showing us different, something way different than you ever thought. Even Bitcoin right now, looking at it, Bitcoin is showing me signs of bullishness. Anyways, now let's go back into the trading view right here. Let's go back here and look at QNT. Again, the same thing goes on right there, because everybody is paying attention to something else. Nobody's paying attention to what is important. So if you look at QNT on, we're going to look at Binance chart, QNT USDT on Binance right here. So this is the 1 hour chart. This is what got people's put. Oh, come on. Why is it doing this? Okay, I guess I'll have to load it up again. Right there. Okay. We're gonna go with that, and then we're gonna search our Quant, QNT, and no, not Kaspa, guys. I need Quant, QNT, USDT. There, that's better. Okay, this is what gets a lot of people spooked, and I keep telling you guys, what's here, Quant looks absolutely amazing. Looking at this price action, okay, we broke, we got rejected by the moving average. Okay, we're back again below the important support slash resistance. But what you gotta look at here is it is a higher low. It could even come back down to form a double bottom before flying off. Again, I don't trade on the 1 hour. For me, it's just for price direction. If you look over here again, let's go on the 4 hourly. Okay, right here, 4 hour. Look right there. This is what got a lot of people spooked, because the ribbon just turned red and it's still coming down. But one thing, you look, higher low, higher low. This is potentially also going to be another higher low before it keeps on going. Again, you always have to zoom out on the daily. Look, the same thing on the daily. Okay, you do have higher lows of higher lows. Look at that, higher low, higher lows, higher lows. That's what you got going on. And the ribbon here, although like I told you the last time, it hasn't turned green yet, but it shows signs of going up. So yeah, we're getting right now suppressed by the moving average. So I don't see why people are panicking on this. Okay, see, you just have to sit tight and wait, because all it takes is for Bitcoin to make that move upwards, and every other chart will follow. Okay, now let's go look at Jasmy right quick, although I don't see the point, because Jasmy, like I told you guys, is the Japanese Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, Jasmy is going to do. Whatever Jasmy sees Bitcoin doing, it is going to copy. So yeah, look at this. See, for the last hour, we're on the hourly. You saw Bitcoin was going up for the last hour, right? So the same thing. Look at Jasmy. Jasmy is doing exactly the same. Jasmy is going up just like Bitcoin, although the ribbon's still red. So yeah, I'll be very cautious, just like I told you guys, 2.3 cents. Until we break that price point, I would not be putting in so much on my trade on it. Now, this is the 4 hourly. Again, this is a good sign. See, we're going sideways, and ribbon has started to show signs of curving. So yeah, that's a good sign. But again, for those of you that like price confirmation, I will say wait until you see Jasmy crossing 2.3 cents, and then you start looking for an entry. For those of us who are long-term traders and not day traders, this is a good time. You enter in your trade, scale it up, make sure you are below 1 cent, and you're good to go. Okay, so again, Jasmy has nothing different done yet, because Bitcoin is still doing its thing. Okay, now let's go back here. Now let's go to what the video is all about, my trades updates. Okay, because a lot of people are still getting the inboxes thinking like, yeah, I got wrecked, I got this, and I'm just like I'm just laughing. Anyways, guys, I do not condone leverage trading, because if you do that without experience, you will get wrecked. You will lose your money. That's that simple. But you guys already know, in this my millionaire journey, we are not in the business of losing money. We are in the business of making money. Therefore, down below, we do have Phemex, Bydfi, okay, Weex, and Margex. Sign up, meet that deposit bonus, you get free thousands of dollars. Once you do that, take $100 or $200. Don't go higher time frame. Just go on the 2x, 3x, and practice. Practice how to leverage trade. I cannot teach you. Nobody can't. You just have to learn that on your own. Okay, if you make mistakes, you do that. It's better you do mistakes with $100 or $200 versus making a mistake with $10, $20, $30,000. You understand? Anyways, excuse me. Now let's go look at my positions right quick. We're gonna start with Bydfi. You guys know there I am trading Quant. I am also trading King Kaspa. Okay, again, a lot of people don't seem to see this. But anyways, my overall here, I am up $10,700. Okay, if you go look at my contracts, this is what people are getting confused about. Okay, this is where the confusion comes. Look at my Kaspa. I am down 67%, which is 5,300. Okay, on my Quant, I am down 18%, which is 1,900. Okay, but look at that. I am an aggressive trader. I have always said this. The reason why you see my trades moving up or down so aggressively is because I trade at 50x. My liquidation is low, 5.3 cents on Kaspa and $42 on Quant. So yeah, that's what I am doing. I scale them up. And again, everybody else looks at these numbers and they get spooked. I don't, because this is not what my plan is, okay? I know the bull run is not over yet. Sooner than later, these prices are going to reverse. And let's take Kaspa for example. Look at this. Kaspa, by the time we go back to the all-time high, 20 cents, this position will be up 25% and it will make me $2,000. See what I'm talking about? Now, 35 cents. By the time we hit 35 cents, this position will be up 140% and it will make me $11,000. You guys already know. I've been singing about this here, telling you that the Binance listings is coming. Everything else, bullish momentum is coming. This could take Kaspa all the way up to $1. At $1, this position will make me $50,000. $1 is just minimum, or who knows, maybe it could be $2. It would make me $111,000. A lot of people say, yeah, he's not gonna get a $10. They believe Kaspa is just gonna do like Cardano, $3, $4. Okay, at $3, this thing will make me $172,000. At $4, this thing will make me $233,000. I'm telling you guys, this is what I'm looking at, okay? So for me, if Kaspa does not do what I think it would, and it does underperform, we're looking at a $7 Kaspa to the being the top. $7, this will make me $416,000. But I have faith. I know when the ecosystem starts to grow, this thing will run like a mad dog, even during the bear market. Therefore, this thing could go to $10. At $10, this thing will make me $599,000. That's the way you're looking at. These are the numbers I am calculating. I'm not looking at these ones. The same thing goes to Quant. Okay, everybody's mad at Quant, but look, Quant going up to the all-time high. I think it was around $400. This thing will make me $47,000 in profit, and that will be up 457%. See now. Everybody say like, nah, if it does it good, yeah, 1,500. Okay, let's entertain that. 1,500, this will make me $222,000. See? For me, I think if Quant does not do good, we're looking at probably 3,200, okay? 3,200, which will make me $493,000. But as I see the regulation keep falling and I see everything playing out, I think, and I will say it again, for my own opinion, I think Quant is a $5,000 coin. So at $5,000, this thing will make me $780,000. So yeah, these are the numbers I am looking at when I open these trades. Okay, therefore, these ones you're looking at right now, yeah, you might feel scared. I am not. I am not scared of them or nothing. All I just have to do is scale up my trades, which again keeps them open. That's all I'm doing. Now, you can pause the video and then you can look at it if you want to. But look at my numbers. Now, let's go look at on my Phemex, okay? On Phemex, you guys know I'm trading Jasmy. I am also trading King Kaspa. Right now, this account is not doing so good because Jasmy is having a field day, just like Bitcoin. Therefore, here I am still up 7,600. You guys already know last time I think I was down almost like $6,000, and then it recovered, went all the way to 15,000 and blah blah blah. You guys already know the drill. But if you look at my contracts, okay, you will see the problem here is Jasmy. And Jasmy, I'm down 66.7%. Again, that doesn't bother me. That's those are the current numbers. And then you will look at my Kaspa, I am down 17%. Again, just like my BYDFi, I am an aggressive trader. I traded 50x right here, no more no less. See, you guys already know my drill. And my liquidation is low. For Jasmy, less than a cent, and for Kaspa, 4 cents. There you have it. Now you're looking at these numbers and you're going in this pair. Now these are not the numbers I'm looking at, because I told you guys, Jasmy, for example, first stop as soon as this thing starts to run is gonna be 0.4 cents. It's gonna be 4.5 cents, which will make me $3,000. For me, yeah, that's not my game plan for it. Okay, then next point will gonna be around that 10 cents, which will make me $23,000. You see, it has started to pick up. Okay, next one will be around 15 cents, the golden pocket. If you those of you using fib retracement, if you put a fib on there from the all-time high to the all-time low, the golden pocket is at 15 cents. So that right there will make me $42,000. Last bull run, Jasmy had a tough time at 20 cents. If you was trading, you will notice that at 20 cents, this thing will make me $61,000. Okay, all-time high last bull run was 30 cents. At 30 cents, this thing will make me $98,000. My own belief, I think if Jasmy, with the junction and everything else going on right now, I think Jasmy could hit 60 cents. So at 60 cents, this thing will make me $210,000. Now, the icing on the cake with Jasmy, they are talking about locking up coins. So if they even lock 10 or 15% of the total supply, you might have Jasmy go up to $1.20 or even $2. So at $1.20, this thing could make me $434,000, or let's just say $2. I will be taking home $733,000. So yeah, this is the numbers I am looking at. So if the liquidation comes close, all I have to do is scale it up, add more, and that's it. That's me. So yeah, you can pause it and look at the numbers if you want to. Now, looking at Weex, you guys already know, if you've been following my channel on Weex Exchange, I was really looking for a place to trade cubic. That's what led me to open an account with Weex Exchange, because Weex Exchange is, yeah, they let me do that. Overall right now sitting at $1,800. If you look at my oh yeah, we didn't look at Kaspa on Phemex, sorry about that. Let's do that first. For Kaspa, we're gonna look here. Let's say again, at all-time high, this position will be $10,000. Okay, if you look at 25 cents, we're talking about $14,000 in profit. Okay, the listing, everything, let's just go $1, $84,000. That's what we'll be looking at. Okay, at $2, $176,000. Now everybody keep calling Cardano. Let's just say $4, $360,000. And again, like I told you guys, if Kaspa does not do good, we're looking at $7, which is $636,000. Or if it gets to what I think it will get, $10, $912,000. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. Everybody else keep looking at that, but I have different numbers I am looking at. Now back to the Weex Exchange. Yeah, I am still up 1,800. If you look at my contracts, you will see, again, just like the rest of them, I trade at 50x. That's what I keep saying, guys. I am a very aggressive trader. Okay, 50x. That's what I trade at. But anyways, look at my first contract is gonna be cubic. On cubic, I am down 47%, which is $550. On Kaspa, I am down 7%, which is $87. Now, if you go look at the numbers that I am looking at, okay, the most recent all-time high for cubic was 5 zeros and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 7. That will put me at $10,000. If you lose a 0, go to 4 zeros and a 2. We'll be sitting at $35,000. For me, I think like cubic can do better than this. I think cubic can reach at least 3 zeros and a 3 on for the top of this bull run. So at 3 0 and a 3, we'll be looking at $500,000, $570,000. That's what I am looking at. That's the opportunity I want to catch, not what everybody else thinks. The same goes to Kaspa here. I am going to scale up this trade because I want to make more money from there. If you guys remember, all-time high, this will be $4,000. Okay, at 35 cents, this will be $9,000. Okay, at a dollar, we're looking at $33,000. At $2, we're looking at $70,000. Let's just say like Cardano, $3 or $4, we're looking at $143,000. Okay, now if you go further, $7, we're looking at $253,000. So yeah, you guys catch the drill. Now if it goes to my price prediction, $10, we are looking at $364,000. Again, I am going to scale up this position because I think I can make more money with this thing. If you want to, again, you can pause it and you can look at it. But if we go here, let's go here. That's my trading updates. You can see my trades, they are all still looking good for me. I don't know about you if you are looking good or not, but that's my entire plan. Now if you combine all of them, okay, like I said, psychology of money, you make a little there, a little here, a little there, combine all of them together, then you see the exact amount I am aiming at. Okay, minimum, at least minimum, if every trade does not do how I'm thinking, all 6 of them should at least minimum make me above $500,000 for this profit for this 2024-2025. If they do halfway of what I think they're going to do, we're probably looking at $2 or $3 million in profit. If they do the way I think they're going to do, yeah, you guys already know the drill. So yeah, those are my trades right there. Again, I don't have time to be bearish right now. All I have to do is scale up my trades and let's make that money. I don't know about you, but the next leg up and the parabolic run for this bull market is about to start. If not, that it has already started. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. Very, very interested in knowing what you think about everything we just talked about. Okay, also don't forget to share so that other people with millionaire minds attitude like you and me can see these videos and share ideas. You never know what you're going to learn from it, what you're going to learn from a stranger. Understand? So yeah, that's it, guys. Please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.